Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you to update or should I say install apps on your MacBook. Now of course, if you want to install an app, you're going to search for the App Store. So if you over here, you'll see App Store, go ahead and click. Now of course, you can go to the Discover tab and of course there's a bunch of stuff here, especially apps that's very popular. You can look through what's popular. And of course there are games, there's a bunch of stuff that you can actually install and you can search through the popular ones. You can go into arcade, you can do it by category in terms of work, play, you name it. All right, so you can also search for an app that you would want. So for example, let's say you would want one of these. So as you can see here, there are several apps on here and all of these are related to productivity apps, usually stuff that's used a lot on your MacBook, as in the case of the MacBook Neo. Now let's say for example you could download WhatsApp Messenger. I could also choose to download Canva. I'll use Canva as the example. So I'll use Canva. I'll tap, you'll see get or download. If you want more information before download it, tap on the text and it will show you the app. Then you can click get here. If it's installed on other devices, you'll see it as a cloud. You can actually click on the cloud. So get cloud or download, you'll see it there. And of course, there you go. So Canva is downloaded as an app to my device. Now, sorry about that. So of course, you can read about the app here. You can see its ratings and you can tell who manufactured it and so on. Once you hit download, once it's finished, it will say open. You can open it from here or you can minimize. Now for all apps on your device, they'll appear over here in the area that's called apps. So click on apps and of course all the apps that you have will appear in here. Now if you look very carefully, as in the case of this one here, you'll notice that Canva is downloaded here. You'll notice as well it's downloaded fully in the background, so allow it to do its thing. All right, there you go. And once you see that bounce, it means that it's completely finished. I can then launch. All right, and as you can see here, Canva is here, so it will actually register you for Canva. And of course, you can log in through your browser, and of course, to log into the full app. So you can actually have both, or you can use Canva through the browser. It works either way. You can actually close. So if you have a Canva account, go ahead and log in. All right, otherwise we'll close, and that's how you get apps on your device as shown with Canva. All your apps will appear here and you'll have access to them. Hope that was useful guys, and see you in the next one. Bye.